Hey guys, it's Amy again. This song is called Winter Wind, and I hope that you like this one too. Blow, blow the winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy roof be rude. Heigh-ho, sing, heigh-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then heigh-ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. Free, free, the bitter sky that does not bite so nigh, and if it's forgot. Though thou waters war, thy sting is not so sharp, friend. Remember not. Heigh-ho, sing, heigh-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then heigh-ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. Thank you. Bye.